English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 20.
You called your dad about babysitting Kim tonight, didn't you?
No, but I did call Aunt Sue. She'll be here soon. I thought you asked Maya to put away these toys.
I did ask her. I think she forgot. Are you sure you bought the birthday cake?
Yes, I did buy it. It's on the top shelf.
She did work hard at her homework. I did behave well as a child. He did take his lunchbox to school. I did enjoy the children's performance. He did give his teacher a birthday card. She did play quietly at Anita's house.
Are you sure you called her?
Yes, I did call her.
Jane really did love that story about the bear. I did tell the babysitter to arrive early. It's true. She did say Papa today. We did invite her to the birthday party. I really did enjoy the cake Lucy baked. Molly did ask if she could play with your toys.
I did tell her mother. She did play nicely with her toys. We did ask them to be quiet. I did love that trip to the beach. He did leave the room in a mess. Tommy did enjoy the magic show. Raj really did love playing that game. We did give Lucy's doll back to her. Toy. Pacifier.
Dummy. Dummy.
Bottle. Diaper.
Nappy. Nappy.
Potty. Crib.
Cot. Cot.
Changing table and mat. High chair. Baby buggy.
Pram. Pram.
Stroller.
Buggy. Buggy.
Feed. She fed the baby. Bite. She bit the apple. Hide. They hid behind the tree. Sink. The toy ship sank in the bathtub. Draw.
He drew a nice picture today. Lead. Her older brother led the way.
Georgia, did I ever tell you about my first day at school?
No, Joe. Was it memorable?
You could say that. I went with Dad. I was so excited, but Dad never told me he'd leave me there. I was horrified. So when Dad left, I ran out the door and tried to follow him. I could see him up the road, but the school gate was shut and I couldn't get out. I tried to squeeze through the fence, but I got stuck. My head was out, but my body wasn't.
You poor thing.
Then my mum's friend Joan walked by and saw me. She ran into the school and brought the teacher out. The teacher called the fire department. They came in 10 minutes and cut me free. They were really kind and let me wear a firefighter's helmet for my re-entry into school.
Wow, quite a first day.
Yeah, I can still remember every detail, and it was 20 years ago now.
End of Lesson 20.